Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite smartphone, and in this video we would like to showcase how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So first of all, let me show how does the keyboard look without them, without the separate number line, just like so. From here you want to somehow get to the keyboard settings by either tapping on this gear icon, or there is also the way where you just open up the settings tab. Here scroll down and open the system's settings category. Then you gotta go for the keyboard and input method. Here choose what keyboard is currently used. In my case, and by default, it is always going to be the Gboard. So we are heading straight to the Gboard settings page, and in here you want to tap on preferences, and all that it's left to do for us is to turn on the switch, this number row switch to be precise. And as you can see now, that will effectively mean that the separate number line has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.